Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure CamScanner settings for Sharp documents in the USA. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the CamScanner app on your device. If prompted, log into your account or continue as a guest. Tap on the settings icon in the top right corner of the app's main screen. Select the Scan Settings option from the menu. Under the Document settings, choose the appropriate document type, such as text or ID card. Activate the Auto Enhance feature for better clarity in your scans. Adjust the resolution setting to the highest available option for Sharp images. Next, navigate to the Filter section to select a filter that enhances readability. Choose the black and white or color option based on your document type. If you plan to scan multiple pages, enable the Batch Mode feature. This will allow you to scan all pages in one go without interruptions. Now, return to the main screen and tap on the camera icon to begin scanning. Position your document clearly within the frame outlined on the screen. Wait for the app to automatically capture the image or tap the Capture button. Review the scanned document for clarity before finalizing. If needed, use the Crop feature to remove any unwanted edges. After cropping, select Enhance to apply the adjustments you configured earlier. Once satisfied, tap Save to store your document in the app. You can now share or export your scanned document as needed. Check your settings periodically for any updates or improvements. This ensures optimal scanning performance with each use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.